Hi, I'm Joseph Viator, and in case you don't know, I work with small to medium-sized businesses to enhance their digital marketing to drive tons of visitors to their websites and blogs. With SEO, email, and on-site marketing, I've been able to help these businesses turn their visitors into leads that convert to sales. I started my journey writing blog posts for marketing companies and blogs, where I was able to observe and learn ways that drive visitors to click for more information and to learn to buy what it is that we are offering. It took a long time to find out what works and what is not worth the time, so that you can market your offering without having to go through the long, arduous process of learning these processes that work. I have compiled these courses to teach you how to market in ways that work now and ways that will save you the time investment of learning how to implement these effective tools that warm up your visitors and help you sell to those who are ready to buy. With this course, I'm focusing on digital marketing with e-commerce. Just so you know, I want to define this as the electronic commerce or internet commerce, that is the buying and selling of goods or services using the internet and the transfer of money and data to execute transactions. Some basic assumptions before we get started are that you already have an online store and the products that you want to market. You have some sales already in motion, and if not, no worries. With this course, you want to go through it step by step, so don't skip ahead. Go through each and every module to get the most benefit out of each section. Take notes along the way with ideas for constructive actions so that you can benefit from the information. Let's remember how the visionaries of the 90s, Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, stated that the internet will see billions and billions of transactions as it provides a place to do business. Well, they were right. And in one way, they were wrong. They underestimated the impact of the internet. We are seeing trillions of transactions, way more than expected. Keep in mind with this training that you want to have goals that are SMART. And as a fun acronym, think of SMART. S for specific, something your goal is sensible, it's simple, and it's significant to what you're attempting to achieve. It's measurable, meaningful, and motivating. It is achievable, something that you've agreed upon with your vendors or your partners, everyone who has a stake in your digital property, something that is attainable. And it's relevant to all those stakeholders in a reasonable, realistic, and results-based way. And finally, it's time sensitive. Your objective or your goal is tied to the calendar. There is a worksheet for you to fill out in the download and to put these goals into actionable context. You can learn all about digital marketing with e-commerce and email marketing at your own pace. So soak it up the best way you do. And don't worry about how much you know. It's about putting these steps into smart action. Realistically, you can spend about 15 minutes on each section as you go. If there's any questions, I'm here at Creamy Context Media for you to reach out to get direction and context in the process. You're going to have a plan with this guide, and you'll find that you can believe that you can do it. Keep a successful mindset. Quitting is not an option here, so you can do it.